Hi, my name is Jason Yakubovich, and I'm the founder of Quick Jewelry Repairs. Quick Jewelry Repairs is a subdivision of MJJ Brilliant. MJJ Brilliant is a fine jewelry manufacturer, which means we source our own raw materials of gold, silver, and platinum and pair them with diamonds or gemstones to create jewelry of the highest quality. Our company has invested heavily in its infrastructure to ensure the highest quality standards. Our specialized skills include cast contracting, setting, finishing, as well as repair services, ring sizing, stone replacement, jewelry work, engraving, appraisals, enameling, watch repair, and our state-of-the-art custom design studio where we utilize the latest 3D printed technology with a full-service bilingual call center. Our company is committed to being environmentally friendly. That's why we use 100% recycled metal and responsibly sourced diamonds. At Quick Jewelry Repairs, our goal is to treat each piece with the utmost care. So call or click today to see how Quick Jewelry Repairs can help your business today.